Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And we have Marcia on the mix. And now Marcia is speaking about some interesting topics. You would need to go and listen to what Marcia has to say. I don't know how interesting it will be for other people and for everyone, but this is what Marcia has to say. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a super duper wonderful day.
Here, foot on shoulder, and which one of them I get? Well, me not go get no foot, me never get no other table, because him don't do those things. Any man that give ass on the table, you must stay with them too long. You must find a man who do on the table. Yes, my child. You must, any man who can't give you on the table, you must burn out them Ross. I am trying to send star, but nothing going through. When me say I try to star, now go to the war and go be star. You know, see star right there, so. See bumbo star right there. If my foot can't go on shoulder, oh you mean this? Oh you mean? Them are Ross long foot, yeah? Then they reach panic. Then how they reach panic car top there, so. They only reach panic dashboard. If then can then how you mean? Then if your foot can't go on shoulder. Then how then my foot can't go on shoulder. Then how they reach pan top of the dashboard? How they reach up there? Then how they reach pan the car window top to go on glass. Then what kind of foot on shoulder? Then I hold the bumbo and walk come up here with the Ross and give me 50 cents. Take back that Ross Andrea, Francis. Then I who you give 50 cents. You bright out of Marcia and take 50 cents over here. If I know $500, $1,000, don't give me one Ross. Cause that none of bumbo used to me. 50 pussy class cents. No sir. Then what? Then I upset you want to get upset tonight, yeah? Then I okay. Then I mean no shame. Then they try best no sorry for me. As long as me poor and none of the rest, I'm about to give me 50 cents. 50 cents? For them a sweet argument here. When nobody get at me. Everybody hold argument on social media about me. You call them afraid. Me don't want about 50 cents. If I don't want $500 bill, I want $1,000 bill, nobody give to me. Me I tell you right now. Not even 100 me no want. Not even 200. Who no care say big Ross star pie. Nobody na give them them a sweet argument here. The only somebody that go no sweet argument like them a Marcia. Nobody else not give it to them because them don't them afraid to talk like this. Because they don't have the personality and them don't have the vibes and the personality for it. So them now come out and come talk like me, them afraid. But me not afraid. My shame she drop long time. So who no want sweet argument, I no want get sweet money. Me have to take down the curtain if I can and go laundry. Then the last thing I go. Me have to go wash all of them the curtain in the machine. And then me have a steamer. And me have to steam them out. And me have to carry them and sell them off. Yes, me come now with them. Me have look for my curtain. Me have to take them down. And carry them go laundry, go wash them. Yes, my dear. Yeah. I'm telling you. Only if you do better than that. Then a 50 cents now can give me. I'm no brighter. What are that? Did I know no shame for? No really and truly don't have no shame for me. No really and truly don't have no shame. But I mean not lie. The little talking when me I give, me come like say from me I talk so the pain start come out on body. Is that you know so it's a mind thing? It's a mind thing, you know. Sometimes it's just a stress and everything. But when me start talking, them sitting here, it pain don't start going. Me start feel a little better. No, for real. When you know happiness is the key and laughter is the key, me not lie. Because I was under so much pain. And soon as I start to talk, the pain start go away. No, for real. You know, just having a personality and just being yourself is better than worrying. Worrying no good. The only thing me having is a little headache. A slight little headache. Me don't know if I the coffee or whatever. I'm telling you. I don't know. The only thing. Let me get like a stuffy. No man, me I feel a little pain and I can't find my pill them. Me don't know what me do with my pill. And me have some more train and I can't find it. Now I'm not going to bust 3 no more right now. 3, I got my 200 milligram, I take 6. Me now over the 6, it's 6, the 600. Me that take, and then tomorrow morning after about 6-7 hours also me take one now, 3 again. But it's very, me muscle up, man. I need to go to the doctor, the doctor where she push the little needle and me in the muscles them. I then call it interim doctor, integrating doctor, I think, or something like that. So me got one natural doctor, and she gets a little fine needle and she stick them in there. She feel up my body all over with her finger, and she know which part the muscles them there. And then she push one little tiny needle in there and you release the muscle. And then you feel much better. She know exactly which part the muscle them there, which part them gather. And then she pinch your body and then she put the needle and it work, you know. After every time I do that, me have to go make an appointment and go make she give me some. It better than acupuncture. Cause me like acupuncture. Acupuncture, my body pain up for some reason, I don't know. But this one where doctor give me, when they call me, I don't know if me I pronounce it right now, but them call me integrating. So like I saw, asking her that. Listen to me, you know, Marcia, I can't pronounce a big word again already. But I think it's called integrating or integrating doctor. I don't know. But I saw me the fancy name. The fancy name is for natural doctor. That is where breakdown to. They don't believe in medicine. They believe in those things and also deep meditations. So last time they have meditation for like about half an hour in our room, and them did that, and them something them believe in them believe in a ganja and then start something there. They don't believe in a medicine. They believe if you try natural remedy. So I think I integrate or whatever one day. I don't know if I pronounce it right, cause you know I go already. You know, and I don't give a damn. But me have to make an appointment if you see one. Make she punch up, make she joke me up some sort of way. That's all. So what is going on? Do I miss anything? Do I miss anything? Me feel like singing though, me not like. As much as me stuff up here, me feel like singing. I've been singing few days now. Me feel like singing. If you only believe, Christ will take you through the wilderness, through the wilderness, through the wilderness. If you only believe, Christ will take you through the wilderness, through the wilderness, through the wilderness. Oh, when your mama, I'm telling you, yes, my dear. If you only believe. Before I left here and come back, I want to encourage somebody. In life, God is not going to give you more than what you can bear. And all of us who are in this world and who are listening to me on Facebook, we all have control of our lives and what we want to accomplish, our goal, our aspiration, our dreams, they all come down to the same thing. In life, a lot of us are going to get fight. We are going to get fight because of our opinion, our personality, who we are, what we believe in. We are going to get fight. As I am getting it every day of my life. When it comes down to nitty-gritty, we can't please everybody. And we'll never please people because Jesus Christ can never please us. Because every single day we complain. And if Jesus Christ, if you listen to me carefully, Jesus Christ can please us. And when I say that, let me make it into a proper sentence. We complain about everything because time is the master and we don't wait on Jesus Christ. So if Jesus Christ cannot please us, then all we expect to please each other out here. Because every day we face situation. I said something today upstairs and my friend turned to me and she said to me, but Marcia, you're in a situation because you're just overwhelmed. What about the people out there when you have this and you have that and you have this and have that? And we have to look in ourselves that even with me at the present moment, The only time that I get upset is when I come on social media. That's the only time you hear bumbleclap, pussyclap, and rasclap out of my mouth. Because there's nobody behind closed door who I'm speaking to on the phone or with me in the house that is going to make me curse. There's nobody in my life to trouble me. So when you look at life situations, good night, blessing of the flow. We have control over our lives. Whether we want to allow people to speak to us in different ways. And the way, especially this woman we call 13 on social media. Me see one video on YouTube where she had done out Anna, blessing of the floor on my page right now. She cussed me out and she had cussed out Tina Chin. But we have a platform that we have responsibility. And we have our people. Good night. We have our people that we please out here every day. If I even 10, we have our people. And what happened, these people, it's so hard in our lives because most of us are going through a stressful time in our life when it is so overwhelmed. Even if we don't want to answer them, we want to answer them. You understand? We want to answer them. Even though we know that they're not in our class. It's like we are going through so much in our lives. Like me right now, who is moving, doing so much and just overwhelmed. It's just, when somebody says something to me, let me just go off. Even though I know better. So Jesus Christ, and then so I want to encourage somebody. It doesn't matter what you're going through tonight. Like myself, me want you to hold on. Because Jesus don't forsake us. It may seem like he forsake us, but sometimes in life, like what I see happening to my life right now, I know better days are coming. I know that God is going to put me up on a high mountaintop, and I'm going to look down on the people who disgrace me. Yes, they're going to look back and they're going to run and say, Marcia, they're going to come over here and flap my page like a bees by honey hives. Because when I look, I'm looking at myself as like, Jesus Christ, I am the only person who is going through this strict situation. Me not see nobody around me to help me to go through it. You know, lucky thing, there's a lady from Jamaica. The lady that is working with me now, she's listening to me right now. She's a supporter from Jamaica. She's 75 years old and she look like 65. She's strong. And she came up and she said, Marcia, I'm one of your biggest supporters. And I'm here to bring something for you and whatever. She bring up ackee, breadfruit and sugar cane for me. She said, I'm at this place. I'm going to go and meet her and blah, blah, blah. From there, so, me have her with me. Me carry her with me out of town. And me I tell her that the lady is so strong. But everything is happening for a good reason. And as she me have here working with me, whatever make me give her a little something. And me make sure say me treat her right. And me I tell her said she, even though God know when the right time to send people in her life. That's all me can say. And I'm here in Connecticut right here. Me not have nobody to help me. I mean I don't want to say my friend not help me. It does help me. But him have a lot of responsibility with the work schedule. Even though me have people that come pick up the heavy things them. But him help me. Him help me. Can he help me enough? No, he can't. Based on his 2 work schedule that him have and certain things, him can't come help me to lift up the bag them. But anyway, God give me the strength, me and the lady. But I call her name and she come and both of us do it. But could we take another hand? I want to. Yes, we could. Because remember say we have to go down 12 stairs. But most of the time we just roll down the things and down the stairs. Anyway, it's only the one that like the box them we and I we carry it. But most of the time we drop down it. But it's the bag them still heavy same way. You understand? So when I look at my situation now, you know say after me finish all of this, I'm changing my phone number. May I change my phone number? It's in my private number, it will be changed. Mister let me know that now. After me move out of this house, my private number will be changed. Me make sure say I'm going to go into my phone. I'm going to pick out the people them that need to be getting my phone number and the phone number is going to change. my phone number is going to change. May I tell you straight up? Because me see a lot of people who I know, and them hear me a move, and them don't even call me and say, Marcia, you want a hand? Marcia, how you doing? How you feeling? You're all right? You get a place yet? You know, when me I say nothing. Nothing at all. Someone into myself, are these people concerned about me? You know what I'm saying? Me not hear them say that. Me not hear them say that. My number will be changed. As me tell her say, Monday morning or Tuesday or whatever, Wednesday, I change my phone number. Let me wait until me settle first. Me I change it. My private number got change. You see my business number too? Oh, I me post the things them. I'm gonna post the things them. You see, next year, God willing.